Number 1. 1996 Ford F-150, price $7,800, equipped with a manual transmission and is now approaching the age where it can be officially recognized as a certified antique. Finished in an eye-catching candy red, it features a clean and well-maintained interior that reflects the level of care it has received over the years. The truck shows 137,000 miles on the odometer, which is consistent with a vehicle that has been used responsibly and preserved with pride. It carries meaningful personal history, as it originally belonged to the owner's late father. He took exceptional care of it, ensuring it was always maintained properly, and even displayed it at car shows. Because of this long-standing attention and sentimental value, the truck remains in impressive condition both mechanically and cosmetically. Number 2. 1995 GMC Sierra, price $9,500. This truck has just under 240,000 miles, a 5-speed manual transmission, and a white exterior with a burgundy interior, powered by a gasoline 305 V8 in a 2WD setup. The truck has been in the family for years and remains fairly clean for its age. The dash, rockers, and cab corners are in good shape, though it will need a body or cab mount. There is a dent on the passenger door that was left as is for transparency. The interior has been refreshed with rebuilt seats, a new headliner, and general cleaning, though the headrests took on too much stain and appear darker. It also has a new windshield and seal, and the roof and fenders were repainted due to peeling. The drivetrain is original, and a new clutch was installed at around 230,000 miles. The parking brake works, and everything functions as it should. Number 3. 1989 Dodge D150, price $8,500, shows approximately 45,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a manual transmission, featuring a black exterior paired with a blue interior, and powered by a gasoline engine. Under the hood, it carries a dependable 318 V8 engine matched to a 5-speed manual transmission plus reverse, offering the classic driving feel that these older Dodge trucks are known for. The truck has received a substantial amount of maintenance and upgrades, making it mechanically strong. Recent work includes a new clutch, a new radiator, new front brake rotors and pads, and a full set of new tires. These improvements greatly enhance its reliability and drivability, ensuring it runs and drives exceptionally well. The interior has been kept in good condition, matching the truck's overall well-maintained mechanical state. Number 4. 1986 Dodge D150, price $4,500. Under the hood, it is equipped with a 360 engine paired with a 727 transmission and a 10-bolt rear end, offering a classic and dependable drivetrain combination. The truck currently runs, drives, and stops as it should, although it would benefit from a carburetor rebuild or a swap to a different unit for smoother performance. It also features dual exhaust with glass packs, adding a deep, vintage exhaust note. The exterior shows some rust above the rear wheel wells, which is typical for its age, but the overall structure remains usable and restorable. This is a 2WD model, and it will include an additional set of rims and tires with the sale, giving the next owner flexibility for personalization. Number 5. 1988 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,400, shows 181,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, along with a tan exterior and matching tan interior, powered by a gasoline engine. The truck is in remarkably good condition for its age, running strong and demonstrating the benefits of consistent care and maintenance over the years. It is powered by a durable 5.0L V8 paired with rear-wheel drive, offering reliable performance both on the road and for everyday use. The vehicle also comes with a clean Carfax history showing no accidents, adding extra confidence in its background. It features power windows and power locks, enhancing comfort and convenience. A topper is included with the truck, adding practicality for hauling or protecting cargo. The interior presents well, reflecting how thoroughly the truck has been cared for, and no additional detailing is needed. Number 6. 1998 Ford Ranger, price $4,500. It has approximately 130,000 miles, features a manual transmission, and comes with a black exterior paired with a gray interior. It is equipped with a 3.0L V6 engine and a 5-speed manual, and it runs and drives great. The truck has served as the owner's daily driver for 2 years. While it's not a show truck, it remains a fun and reliable little beater. The frame shows only surface rust but is still in solid condition. The body has its share of dents and dings, but there is no body rust or rot anywhere on the truck. The power steering can be a bit noisy at times, and the vacuum lines for the air conditioning vent controls need replacement, causing the airflow to come only through the defrost setting. Overall, it's a dependable, well-running Ranger with honest wear.
Number 7.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,200. The truck has been garage kept its whole life, leaving the body very clean with little to no rust, and it recently received a fresh 3-coat paint job. It is a 4WD model with extensive recent maintenance, including new spark plug wires and plugs, a new rotor and cap, a map sensor, crankshaft position sensor, serpentine belt, idler pulley, tensioner pulley, fuel pump and filter, power steering pump, distributor, and fuel injectors. It also has new headlights, taillights, a tonneau cover, and a low-mile transfer case. The truck rides on brand new wheels and tires with under 800 miles, has new sway bar links, and features a new touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay. Overall, it's a clean, well-maintained example with many new parts.
Number 8.
1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,000. It has approximately 168,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission, a tan exterior, and a tan interior, running on gasoline. It is powered by the 7.4L 454 engine paired with a 4L80E transmission, and it both runs and shifts well. The truck has a slight vibration at around 40 to 45 miles per hour, something it has had for a long time, yet it has been driven over 20,000 miles without any issues. The owner suspects the vibration may be due to the tires, as it does need new tires. While the truck does have rust, it is considered to be in great shape for its age, and the overall condition is fairly solid. Included with the truck are 4 extra rust-free fenders and a hood, offering good value and potential for clean restoration.
Number 9.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,700, shows approximately 175,000 miles, features an automatic transmission, and comes in a blue exterior with a gray interior. While the truck runs very well and drives reasonably, it does come with a number of known issues. The body has rust, the front end could benefit from a rebuild or alignment, and there is a power steering leak. The fuel gauge is not fully accurate, the passenger power door lock is non-functional, and it needs license plate lamps. Included with the truck is a replacement mirror glass for the driver's side. The brakes and tires are in decent condition, and the frame is solid. The interior is reasonably well kept for its age, and the radio functions aside from a few non-working lights. The heat works well, and the power windows operate properly.
Number 10.
1979 Dodge D100, price $5,000, comes equipped with a manual transmission, a tan exterior, a brown interior, and uses gasoline as its fuel source. Under the hood, it is powered by the dependable 225/6 engine paired with a 3-speed column shift transmission. Despite its age, the truck still runs, drives, and stops impressively well. The owner notes that it is an older vehicle and shouldn't be expected to be perfect, but it remains fully functional and is driven frequently without issues. All of the essential components, such as the gauges, lights, and heater, are in proper working order, making it a reliable daily use classic. The body is in reasonable condition, showing very little rust compared to many trucks of its era, and the underside remains solid with no major structural concerns.